What are we thinking? Is this too much for a plant haul? Do we think this is ridiculous for what I'm doing right now? Yes, of course it's ridiculous. But you know what? My mom saw this robe on TikTok and it is beautiful, but I have to say, I have no idea when I could ever wear this again. The fuzzies are so fuzzy and they spill everywhere, which is awful, and I'll have to deal with that later. However, it couldn't be any more perfect for a Valentine's Day episode. So today we're doing a plant haul. Guys, look how much space I take up. I mean, it's absurd. I feel like a pink bat. But I do feel like a princess presenting my jewels. So that's a pretty good day. I'm feeling very Valentine's Day-y, and I cannot wait to show you all of my pretty pink babies. Some of which are more pink than others, but they all have some sort of Valentine's Day feel to them. Okay, so all of these beautiful plants I did buy off nurseries from Etsy. I was stuck in the snow for way too long and I decided that I needed some green stuff. So we're gonna start with some beautiful little succulents because they always have such brilliant color ranges. And the first thing I got was this guy here, and I'm gonna have to be able to read the name to you, but she's so beautiful. Look, she has that pretty pink in the center and the green on the edges and purple. I can't, they're just so cute. Also, take note, adorable little nursery pot. It's ceramic. I got them off of Amazon. I got them in a pack of 6 and they're all different colors and shades. I just particularly like this one with the color, but they have a drainage hole, which is great. And also they have this little bottom to catch any extra water. It's so cute, I can't. But let's see what the name of this plant is because I don't remember. This one is called a Supervivum Jungle Shadows succulent plant. Yeah, I just love the purple and the pink and the green, and it's tiny and it's a succulent, so I can forget about her and she won't hate me forever. So this next plant couldn't get any more Valentine's Day-y, and that's because they're shaped like a heart, but also it's a variegated string of hearts. So they're pink. I cannot. It's just so beautiful. These things can get up to 13 feet long, and the more light that they get, the darker the green gets. So I definitely need to give it a little bit more light, I think, because I think it's looking a little pale. But it's just the most gorgeous plant. I cannot wait for it to grow out of this pot, which will be very soon, I'm sure. Also, look at the little pot feet. Oh, so cute. But I love this plant. I really hope that I can keep it alive because it is just so stunning and it couldn't be any more appropriate for Valentine's Day. This one is shaped exactly like a heart. Like, exactly. It's so cute. This whole situation that's happening right now is so adorable. So it is a succulent. It does take cactus soil. We are not gonna water this too much, but I'm so thrilled to have this one in my collection. I just think it's the cutest. So the next succulent is not pink yet. It's been in a box for a while, so it doesn't have those beautiful red edges that it typically will, but it is a succulent, and when it gets enough sun, these edges can go really red, which is really kind of beautiful. But then in a midsummer, you get these gorgeous coral bell-shaped blooms that are just so stunning. I don't know how long I can keep it in this pot. I've just been wanting to use it, but I do think it looks adorable as like this little turtle with like beautiful pink bells all over it. We'll see how long I can leave it in here, but it does require a lot of sun. So I'm gonna try to put it in an area that gets a ton of sun. But this one, while it isn't quite Valentine's Day themed yet, will eventually be, and it is a little bit on the rare side. So I'm very excited for when it does get that color. I have no idea how to pronounce this name, so I'll spell it below, but I also wanna say it is a Cliff Cotyledon. It sounds like a dinosaur, which is appropriate because that's exactly what it looks like in its little planter. So cute. If you were looking for a plant to give to someone who wasn't really good with plants, this one's absolutely precious, and it's called a Sweetheart Hoya. It's too cute little hearts. It's so cute. This is actually called an ornamental propagation, which means it's not gonna grow or change shape. So it's just gonna stay like this. And Hoyas are notorious for not needing a ton of care. So you're not gonna need to water this a lot. You're not gonna really wanna touch it a lot, and it'll just thrive all on its own. And I just think it's like the cutest, sweetest little plant. It's obviously like two little hearts right next to each other, and I just love this style of propagation. I just can't wait to like put it in the corner. I might get a new plant pot for it, but I love this. I also love, again, easy to care for plants, because as my collection is growing, I'm going to need to get better at taking care of them all. So this one is super cute, and I do recommend this to people. If you're looking to give someone a plant, this is a really good one. So this plant probably had the hardest time commuting. I think she looks like she's had the roughest of goes, but it is still a beautiful plant. It is a Begonia maculata, I think is the name of it. And it has these beautiful shield-shaped leaves, very like a dark green. It'll get darker as the sun hits it. It has these beautiful silver little polka dots and a lovely little pink or red underside. So this is a beautiful plant. It naturally grows in Brazil, and it usually takes a lot of humidity. So I am gonna be putting this in my bathroom just because I can't really give my plants quite yet as much humidity as it needs out here. Also, this one is toxic to Floof, my cat. So we're gonna keep this one a little bit away from her so she cannot reach it. She typically doesn't mess with these leaves. She just likes my rattlesnake calathea and my money tree. She just loves those. She munches on those like for breakfast, but she really doesn't touch anything else. So I think she'll be fine. Also, I'm gonna put this in a place where she can't even reach it. So, but this one is so pretty. It's so cute. I love it. So I'm losing a little bit of sun here. Sorry if I've moved you. This next plant is just precious. I do not have a pot for it yet, but look at those colors. It is a mixed polka dot plant. Obviously it comes in shades of green, pink, and red, and it could not fit our theme any more perfect. I love the little polka dots all over this. I just think that the color is so cute. And I'm thinking of using this. I'm eventually going to want to make this like plant shelf, and I think I'm using this to break up all of the greens. I just love all of the colors in this. It also requires a little bit of a higher humidity, so I'm probably gonna get a humidifier for this said shelf, but it is such a stunning plant. I love it mixed like this. I never really see it. It was kind of on my wish list for a while, and I'm glad I finally got it. So last but not least, this is probably my favorite plant. I don't know, the string of hearts is also up there, but this is the top, I think. It's a variegated rubber plant, and I just want you to like take a look at that leaf. It looks like it's watercolored. Oh my God. It's so beautiful. And it has these beautiful pink, like its stem is this beautiful pink color. It just really looks like someone painted these leaves. And this plant is hopefully going to replace my failed fiddle leaf attempt, because I tried to have a giant plant next to my desk. That's the goal. I want a giant plant next to my desk. But I chose a fiddle leaf, and I just was not cut out for that life. So I'm hoping rubber plant can come through and be the plant that the fiddle leaf wasn't, and just take up all the space and be green and be lush and be beautiful, because I just love these leaves. Look, this one's really new. You can tell because it's kind of like this lighter green. It's still a little curled, but it's just, oh, they look so beautiful. It really looks like it was painted. I love this one. So those are all the plants that I have for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it, / I really enjoyed buying all these plants, which if you're new, like I still am, I warn you, as soon as you buy like 1, 2 plants, my first plants was given to me as a gift. So just if you ever decide that you wanna do this, just know that you'll never stop. It's an addiction that never stops growing. But it's a healthy addiction, so it's fine. In any case, I really hope you like this video. If you do like videos like these, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much, bye! Also, this is the last time you'll probably ever see me in this. As much as I love it, I just have no idea. When would I wear this? When would I wear this, Mom? When would I wear this?